My life's kinda crazy, God tell me what's happening. Ghost in this music, something like Madeline. Not gonna stop, gotta stay strong. Bad decisions in my life, trust me if I'm gone wrong. Bet you think my life is all good and clear. Life is getting worse and worse slowly every year. I ain't scared of death, only Allah who I fear. Crying don't make a change, that's why it can't me shed a tear. People around the world that would die to be me, that's the main reason, thankful for what I have. Youth's getting stabbed, time to face reality. Hungry for success, so I ain't got time for no slacks, I ain't been releasing. More time I'm writing, haters trying to drag me down, I come out fighting. That's the spirit that I've got to live with. A lot of bullshit in my life, that's why life's a bit for believers. Life's a prison, disbelievers, life's a paradise. I try not to glamorize, don't dream, wake up and analyze. Living in a world where everything has a price, everything has a price. Real friends say, I've got it in me. Hate me, snake me, it won't change me, honestly. Music ain't a joke, yeah, I take it properly. Make mistakes, just don't expect an apology. Life is what you make of it, I'm fading away from music, thinking how far I've come today. And haters still wanting me to do shit. The day that I die is the day I'm gonna quit. That's the price you pay, so I never turn fake. Ain't about the life, talking about money on a remix to a pound cake. Only way forward is the truth, so it's nothing but real when I'm sweating in the booth. That's the answer, so this life is a test. Some with nothing left, others working socks up for success. But my music, you can tell I'm working on my socks. Came a long way from Sweden, living in a council block. Never had it easy, same time I never had a hard jealousy. Everyone's having fun, I'm in my room writing bars, but I know hard work pays off. Pen to paper every day, loud chasing love. Ain't dying fake fam, I was born original. Most rappers with a team, but me I'm individual. Killed a few beats, got a name for a criminal, but my truth will never walk alone like Liverpool. Ain't no dreamer, I wake up and make it happen. Why you think that's the main reason started rapping back a day? No one's on my side, everyone was laughing, took it in like a man. Now look where I am, grew up as alone, I had a couple of friends. True what they say, life's a journey, every journey must end. Life's a long, risky ride, one day I'ma die. Death's written, so there's no need to lie.